What do we have here? A thrifted box that looks like it had an attempted DIY to it that was painted sort of in a washed stroke up and down, and somebody decoupaged this paper on the front of it. I applaud them for trying. I'm not critiquing this. This is just not my style. So I'm showing what you can do with something that maybe you find or you have in your home and you're changing up your style and what you would like to do with it and change it up. So I'm going for very simple. If you haven't noticed within my home makeovers and remodels lately, I'm just trying to make things easier on me. So having some fun with this, just taking this decoupage off, and then I'll explain the next steps. This is Larissa at Prodigal Pieces. I invite you to sign up for my free email newsletter just so that we can stay in touch and become sort of a family sharing our life adventures together. All right, let's have at this. I've got these egg cartons that I keep in my stash. I mentioned in my blog post more details, the why I buy the paperboard ones and how I use them for different crafts here and there. This instance, I'm going to make some little feet. I don't know if you ever like adding feet to trays. I do it in all kinds of trays and makeovers in my blog. Here's what my daughter made with some of these similar egg carton pieces, a flower. I use them to make seed starts for my garden. Here I'm cutting off 3 of those center spikes, if you will, and gluing them together to make them a little more firm. Once I get them together, I trim them off, and then I'm going to attach to the bottom of this box that I have here. You can even make use of these scraps. They look like flower petals to me. Like I said, there's all kinds of options you can do with these egg cartons. I know it's crazy, but it's fun. It's at this point you literally can do anything you want with it. You can paint it, you can do more decoupage, you can just add texture, you can do brown paper that you would find in your packaging and wrinkle it up and put it on there. Whatever, there is so many ways to go with this. Again, I'm going simple, and here in a minute you'll be seeing that I'm going to add some strips of veneer that you would use basically to edge or band plywood when you're building something with plywood. I show that also in my blog and other furniture makeovers. I am just going to iron it on and leave it. I love the natural look of the wood, and I love the basic white paint, just keeping it simple. How easy is this, right? I'm literally just cut these to length. You could even wrap it and not make cuts. I was using scraps and I just wanted to use pieces. Iron it on, it adheres instantly, and you've got an interesting effect to this thrifty little makeover. And just like that, we're done. It's a nice little effect you could stick in your bathroom, your bedroom, your living room, family room, wherever, just to store away some essentials, maybe remotes or maybe kids' toys or dog treats or something. You know how that goes. But this was meant to just show you how you can do these things to just add your own personal touch to your home. Until next time.